King Prajadhipok's Institute is a leading academic institution in the fields of democratic development with the King as head of state, good governance and peace studies. The Institute's goal is to bring knowledge to society for the common good. King Prajadhipok's Institute is an institution under the supervision of the President of the National Assembly. The Institute is responsible for conducting research for the development of politics, good governance and peace, disseminating knowledge for the development of civil politics to the people, advising on good governance at the national and local levels, and coordinating cooperation with domestic and foreign agencies to achieve sustainable democratic development. King Prajadhipok's Institute was established to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the birth of His Majesty King Prajadhipok and commenced operations as a juristic person on September the 5th, 1998, when His Majesty King Bhumibhol the Great granted royal permission to use the of King Prajadhipok for the Institute. For the past, King Prajadhipok's Institute has driven knowledge and innovation in democracy in accordance with the country's context and has kept pace with global changes in order to improve the quality of life of the people and help them appreciate the value of democracy with the King as a true head of state. There are 11 important divisions within King Prajadhipok's Institute. College of Politics and Governance, College of Local Government Development, Research and Development Office, the Office of Promoting Politics of the People, Parliamentary Academic Support Office, the Office of Peace and Governance, the Office of Innovation for Democracy, the Office of Academic Services, the Secretariat Office, divisions under the Secretary General, the King Prajadhipok Museum. The Institute's primary strategies are as follows. Develop a body of knowledge to develop democracy, good governance and peace. Develop leaders to be thinking leaders and to disseminate development of democracy under the monarchical, good governance and peace. Develop and build citizenship. Promote and support parliamentary academic work. Promote and develop the King Prajadhipok Museum as a learning center for King Prajadhipok studies and the development of democracy. Undertake organizational development toward high performance, internationalization, and innovation for democracy. Currently, Thai politics and government are undergoing a transition. All citizens will play a significant role in driving the country forward in all respects with up-to-date knowledge and democratic dynamism to keep up with the world. King Prajadhipok's Institute is therefore an essential mechanism for the production of new knowledge, encouraging knowledge-based innovation to ensure equitable access for all citizens. Our shared confidence will help the growth of democracy with the King as head of state for enduring sustainability.